Hi, I'm John McHugh, General Manager of US Mix Company. We're training the Hub employees you see behind me. Right now, Brian Smith, our Technical Director at US Mix, is speaking, and really focus on the fundamentals of how these products are used, covering surface preparation, proper mixing, proper application, proper finishing. We're thrilled that Hub employees were able to spend 2 days with us and learn these materials. We think they can go back after this and spend a lot of time educating their customers. But the purpose of the video is for Hub training guide available to them on the Hub intranet site that they can access at any time to learn more about US Mix supplied Hub patches and grouts.
Today we're mixing with a 1-inch high-speed paddle drill mixer. We've referenced the bag for the water requirements. We're mixing at 4.5 quarts of water per 50-pound bag of dry material. We'll mix for 3 to 5 minutes or until a homogeneous mixture has been achieved with no dry clumps. This will provide the fluidity so we can fill the grout box with 0 voids and achieve a maximum effective surface bearing area. When placing into the grout box, as we have here, begin from one side and pour continuously to the other side. This effectively removes all air from the grout box, allowing for a maximum effective bearing surface area to be achieved underneath the base plate. After placing the grout, you want to protect from evaporation, at least until initial set has been achieved. Once initial set has been achieved, the material can be shaped, typically to a 45-degree chamfered edge. Following initial placement and shavability, a curing compound should be applied and remain in place for a minimum of 28 days. Used for structural applications, achieving 5,500 psi in 28 days. When mixing Hub All Patch 20, the specified water ratio on the bag and technical data sheet will be 4 quarts of water. However, in the field, it is rare that these materials are mixed in full bag quantities. The physical properties on the technical data sheet will reflect the water ratio identified on the bag and technical data sheet. However, these materials, being structural in nature, are typically used for cosmetic repairs. Mix thoroughly in your pail until there are no dry clumps, and again you've achieved a homogeneous mixture. The set time for All Patch 20 is 20 minutes. Provided the environmental conditions, set time will slow down in cold weather and speed up in hot weather. Prior to applying Hub All Patch 20, you want to ensure the proper surface preparation has been achieved. This could require shot blasting, scarifying, hydroblasting, whatever the project requires. The essential requirement is that the substrate is open to receive the new material, and the pores are open as well. Once saturated surface dry conditions have been achieved, you can then move forward with applying the patching material. Here we're patching an angle in which we've chosen to use 2 trowels as a forming mechanism to help us achieve an angle similar to that of the precast structure. Hub All Patch 20 is used for all general concrete repairs, both cosmetic and structural. Following application of Hub All Patch 20, it is recommended to cure for a minimum of 28 days with wet burlap or an approved concrete curing compound. Once Hub All Patch 20 has reached its initial set, it may be desirable to come back with a damp sponge to shape for aesthetic appeal. Hub Structural Repair Mortar is a 2-component polymer-modified concrete repair material. It can be applied in depths from 1/8 of an inch up to 1 inch before needing extension with 3/8 pea gravel. When mixing Hub Structural Repair Mortar, it is not necessary to use the entire gallon of Component B. However, this may be desirable for some users, depending on the desired workability. When mixing Hub Structural Repair Mortar, place the desired quantity of Component B into a 5-gallon pail or mixing container, and then add the dry material. Mix with a high-speed drill mixer for 3 to 5 minutes. Hub structural repair mortar exhibits a creamy consistency which is desired by many users, in depths from 1/8 of an inch up to 1 inch, before requiring the extension with 3/8 pea gravel, up to 30% by weight. Lifts can be applied in 4-inch depths with 30% extension by weight. Being a 2-component material, bonds tenaciously with the substrate. Hub P3 is an aggregate-free blend of Portland cement, specialty polymers, and proprietary admixtures, designed to provide a smooth, untextured patching material for thin surface repairs, coating, and concrete restoration applications. Prior to applying Hub P3, it is required to achieve a saturated surface dry condition. Hub P3 is applied in depth of up to 1/16 of an inch. That's about the thickness of a credit card. Hub P3 is self-curing, and subsequent coatings can be applied. However, this is not a requirement. Creamy and smooth finishability allows for an architectural and aesthetic appeal to be achieved. Hub Instant Patch, rapid setting repair mortar, is used for a multitude of general-purpose concrete repairs. Hub Instant Patch is extremely user-friendly in that it does not require an expert technician to achieve a beautiful concrete repair. This is desirable for aesthetic appeal or when a tight tolerance needs to be met. Although Hub Instant Patch is rapid setting, it has an extended shaveability time, upwards of 45 minutes. This means you can apply your material. Once it is set, come back and shave it down with the margin trowel or the trowel of your choice to the desired tolerances. Hub Instant Patch has a putty-like consistency, not gritty like most concrete repair materials. This allows for easy finishability, a smooth texture that will be maintained throughout that extended shaveability time. A positive attribute of Hub Instant Patch is you do not have to be a professional to achieve a beautiful concrete repair. Apply enough material above what is needed, and you can come back and shape the material to your liking. Prior to using US Spec Wonder Bond, it's required to balance the cartridge. Remove the plastic cap and dispense a small amount until equal portions of each color have been dispensed. Then attach the mixing nozzle and dispense until a consistent color comes out of the end of the nozzle. US Spec Wonder Bond is ideal to seal cracks and ports for injection grouting, bonding fresh concrete to hardened concrete to hardened concrete, and for general concrete repairs. When using US Spec Wonder Bond, fill the void just above surface level and trowel flush. US Spec Wonder Bond has a gel time of approximately 8 minutes and achieves 8,000 psi compressive strength in 7 days. The cure time for US Spec Wonder Bond is 2 hours at 75 degrees Fahrenheit.